folks, I'm somewhere outside of Kuala Lumpur, this area called Klang. It's basically an industrial area, port area, which is very big area, and there's a lot of industrial activities happening around this place. So just bump into this Pajero, this one here. This is the 1997, I believe, the 1997 V45 V6 3.5 GDI. Let's have a look. So this unit is quite rare in Malaysia, as far as I know. Most of the available units are the 2.8 version. Of course, this is the wide body Pajero. I always like this design. We have quite a lot, especially the 2.8 version, but the V6 3.5 GDI, this is quite rare. So even if you look at this thing here, the sticker here, looks really nice. It's quite big, and I can see this vehicle is probably somewhat not being used for quite some time. It's nice color, white, silver, and everything still looks okay except for the paintwork. I wonder whose is this. I don't mind rescuing this. And from the look at it, I don't know where that's the tint. It's quite nice. It's brown tint. Can't see inside, but condition seems still fairly good. It has everything. The inside still looks fairly good. The seats, not sure if has been replaced or not, but I like the steering wheel. I just don't like the wooden panels. And for some reason that I noticed, from here the AC is placed slightly below. Can't see from here as well, but yeah, it's nice. The tires need replacement. The wheels are not too nice, but this is the wide body. I think they have replaced the headlights and the bulb, maybe the bulb. But it's nice to look at this one here. It's the GDI. Quite rare. It's a bit rust there. Hopefully the guy would take care of this Pajero, or if not, if he would like reach out to me, I don't mind saving this or rescuing this. So just writing a small note here. That's the Pajero, and hopefully this guy would be able to see this, that if he wants to sell it at a good price, maybe we'll get it and get it saved, restored, and resell. So just put the notes right there. Hopefully he will be able to see it. We'll see how it goes. So that's it, folks. That's the Pajero. It looks really nice. V6 3.5 GDI, and hopefully the guy would be able to see the note and would consider selling it. So I don't mind saving it and restoring it and resell it to the next buyer, so that we can see more of this classic Pajero being driven around right here in Malaysia. Thanks again for following me, and be sure to subscribe. Talk to you again soon.